In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo for a sticky and transparent header in the Shopify Dawn theme. This process involves a few steps, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each one to ensure your logo looks perfect in your online store. We'll start by first uploading the logos you'll be using. These should include both your default logo and the logo you'll want for the transparent and sticky header. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the settings area, then choose Files. Once you're there, upload the logos you want to use. This section is critically important because you'll need to note the URLs for both logos. You'll be using these quite extensively in the upcoming steps. Next, let's move on to customizing your theme's code, specifically the header.liquid file. To do this, go to your online store, click on Themes, and then select Actions followed by Edit Code. In the list of files that appear, look for the header, liquid file. Within this file, search for the code segment responsible for displaying the logo, which is often located within a tag with a class like header heading logo or something similar. It's here where you will insert some conditional logic using liquid code. This logic will determine whether the header is transparent or sticky and, accordingly, display the correct logo URL. Here's a basic example of what that might look like. To illustrate, you might include a snippet like this. If section settings transparent header and section settings sticky header, then you'll want to display the logo specifically designed for those settings. Don't forget to replace the placeholders with the actual URLs of your uploaded logos. And remember, adjust the width and height attributes as necessary to suit your design needs. Now let's talk about customization in the base.css file, or in some cases it might be theme.cs.liquid. This customization may be necessary to ensure your logos are displaying correctly, especially if there are variations in their dimensions. You might need to add some CSS to adjust the logo's position or visibility when your header switches state. Clear CSS rules, like those targeting the header, transparent, or header, sticky classes, can help ensure everything looks just right. After these adjustments, you'll need to enable these new header features. Go back to the online store section, then choose Themes, and click on Customize. Here, you'll find options to enable both the transparent header and the sticky header. You may also want to take a moment to tweak additional settings that influence the header's overall look and feel to achieve the style you're aiming for with your brand. Finally, it's time for testing. Save all your changes and preview your store. Pay close attention to how the logos appear in both default and transparent/sticky states. If something seems off, simply revisit your code and style adjustments and refine them until you're satisfied with the result. Remember, file locations and code snippets can sometimes vary based on your theme version or previous customizations, so keep that in mind as you work through these steps.